What is video marketing? Video marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves creating and sharing videos online to promote a product or service. It can be used to increase brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. Video marketing can be used in a variety of ways, including on social media, in email campaigns, and on websites. Video marketing benefits. Video marketing has countless benefits, but there's one in particular that stands out: improving SEO. Search engine optimization has become such an invaluable tool for marketers. It's changed the way we think about producing content. While the written word is still important, video marketing is becoming a more powerful tool. Video marketing can help improve SEO in a few key ways. First, it can help increase the visibility of your website and content. When users search for specific topics, they may come across a video that is relevant to their search query as opposed to a written article. This will lead to more clicks and visits to your site. Finally, video content can help keep people on your website for longer, which can also help improve your ranking. Video content is often more engaging than written content. How to create a successful video marketing strategy. 1. Set goals. Start by setting specific goals for your video marketing strategy. Consider what you want to accomplish, such as increased brand awareness, leads, conversions, or sales. 2. Define your target audience. Identify your target audience and create content that appeals to them, including the style, format, and topics of your videos. 3. Choose platforms. Decide which platforms you'll use to share your videos, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. 4. Create quality content. Develop videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. Make sure the content is relevant to your target audience. 5. Optimize your videos. Use SEO tactics such as keyword research and metadata to make your videos easier to find on search engines. 6. Promote your videos. Share your videos on your website, blog, and social media channels. Encourage people to watch and share your videos. 7. Analyze performance. Track the performance of your videos and use the data to adjust your strategy. Determine which videos have been successful and which need improvement.